I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lies memorized in my heart. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse. And I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lies memorized in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I've decided to vlog this entire week because I've got a few exciting things that are happening. So I've just gotten ready. I've just done more of a kind of natural makeup look, no lashes or anything, and Dom is going to pick me up in a bit and we're just going to get ready to run a few errands together. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I'd also like to say a huge thank you for the support on my last video. It means so much to me and I'm really glad that you guys enjoyed it because I loved filming that video. Also, please ignore my ugly pajama top. I haven't changed into my outfit yet, but I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna pick out a nice little outfit, just a casual outfit, because I haven't left my house in literally maybe like the whole week, so any excuse to just dress up a little bit. So I'm just going to show you guys my outfit for today. I'm just wearing my Supreme t-shirt. This is a men's t-shirt. I think it's a size medium that I got from Japan. And then I'm just wearing some grey tracksuit pants. These are from Nasty Gal. Please ignore my little unicorn slippers. But yeah, these trackies are from Nasty Gal. I got them in a size, I think, small. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got a size small and they fit really nicely. So that's just my outfit for today, and I might just chuck on some sneakers and also a jacket because it's quite cold. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna pack my overnight bag. So because I'm sleeping at Dom's, I always like to carry this bag with me if I know I need to carry a lot of things. So this is just a Victoria's Secret bag. It holds so many things. The only bad thing about it is it doesn't have a zip, which is really strange in a bag. But just got my laptop in there, my charger, my diary, and then I've got my card holder, keys, some floss, my Invisalign tray, and also I'm just going to pack a spare pair of clothes as well.
I actually like two. That's funny.
Two? Okay.
Yeah, let's do two.
Everyone agree?
Yeah, number two.
Okay, number 2 versus number 3. Cheesy.
Cheesy.
I like number 3 because
Two. Yeah. A bit of chit chat, a bit of banter here and there.
A bit of
Yeah.
clickbait.
Just from the title, I think it could be interesting, more clickable. Or fuck, we can film it and set up a table.
Wait until at least one of them come on, because they a lot. So
Maybe we'll wait.
I don't know what time it is. He might be a bit...
Playing games.
He's probably gaming.
Yeah, what a
Dennis?
lazy man.
Should we invite Dennis?
What? Let's invite Dennis.
Oh yeah, but will he get any of our quizzes? Yes.
Message him, Lily.
I think he would. Yeah.
Guys, say hi to my vlog.
He's in it.
Hi.
Hi. Oh hi.
I'll call it.
Cheers. It tastes good. It tastes like really smooth. We're drinking
Someone messaging you?
Penfolds.
Penfolds, yeah.
So currently it's 9 o'clock and we're playing trivia that was made by Lily right here. Right here.
Alright, so let's start.
Oh my god, I'm nervous. So are we typing? Are we typing?
Trivia. Oh, sorry, Jen. Are you vlogging?
Oh no. I'm just asking, are we typing in the group chat?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, go for it.
Okay, so our first topic is guess that celebrity.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
So this stage is guess that celebrity, but it's a gender swap. And there's only one celebrity in the gender swap, so you got to guess who it is.
What?
Alright?
What? I don't get it.
I don't understand.
Oh, Rihanna and Will Smith.
Yeah, Tom got it.
Tal got it? I thought I got it.
Did I get it?
Tom.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday. Currently we are at Dom's apartment. I haven't mentioned this before, but he will be moving out fairly soon, just with a friend. So we're currently at his apartment. We bought a few things from Ikea just before, just down there. And we're just putting in a few things into his apartment.
Been there for right.
I reckon.
Left side, because if I do anything.
Hey guys, so today is the Sunday and we are at Ikea again. I'm just with Dom, and this whole day we've pretty much moved some stuff into Dom's apartment. So we've already moved his bed in there, his mattress, got a TV in there, and just a few other things as well. But we're just in Ikea right now and we're just gonna grab some essentials. So we're grabbing a dining table, I think a TV unit, and what else? Oh, and a rug as well. So that's the rug there. But yeah, and then I think after this we're gonna go to Kmart just to grab a few things as well. But yeah, really excited. Sorry if I haven't been vlogging as much, just because like yesterday we were with his mates and also his parents were helping us today, so I didn't really want to start vlogging in front of them.
Huh?
But you need one?
Yeah.
Her follow was 100 cities, she too famous. And she got 1,000, I make her my main bitch. Yo.
So Sunny just came and he just dropped off a bottle of wine for us. Woo! And he's helping us take out the trash.
I'm gonna take out myself as well.
Yeah, that's his role for today.
Yeah.
But yeah, I haven't mentioned to you guys, Sunny will be living in the other room. So him and Dom are gonna be little apartment buddies. But you want me to screw these screws?
That's right. Yeah.
We did go to one.
Okay, I'm tired. Break time.
Just small. Small.
Ooh.
Yeah, just a lot.
If I'm a dog, I'ma keep it real. Me and my boys, we can still do it.
Morning guys, so we've just woken up. Today is Tuesday, I believe. It's currently around 12 p.m. I'm just making breakfast, or like brunch, for Dom and I. We've pretty much, I can't remember when I last checked in with you guys, but we've pretty much built a lot of his Ikea furniture, which I'll show you in a bit. We've done his dining table, coffee table, and his TV unit as well. Yeah, so I'm just making some breakfast. We've got some like avocado. So I'm just gonna do some smashed avo and then some mushrooms as well. Eggs, toast, just the usual stuff.
Now she's so late, and as you're talking I start thinking, all the details start to sink in.
So we are just building the couch, and this is the situation right now.
Oh no, they're filming from the wrong way. No, the camera just said you didn't install it. You don't need it.